is truth in battle conversation. You know that the only is love and the stomach cellular. How did they choose to understand the physics subject? I overflow with weather forecast. Turn out to be study of master and energy. Mechanics is our main topic. Even to thinking, necessary to accepting. Just when you become so serious, the formulas become confusing. Oh my God! It is this time again. This is it. Time to learn. Slow motion, acceleration, interaction. Friction, this is time again. Three. They told me everything is made to pieces. Here you go. Example problem really hurts. 3 times of friction to static and kinetic friction. And the last is rolling friction. Impulse and momentum. Somehow I cannot think. It's because our next subject is differential calculus. Yeah. But then I am still confused. No joking. I am OP with physics. You know that I find this out of sight to the things that I am telling you. But then again, I hope that you will understand. Godfather of my son.